Welcome to our channel. Today, we will see the top 5 best 3D printers for ultimate printing. Number 5, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the remarkable FlashForge Adventurer 3. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is a user-friendly 3D printer perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It boasts a sleek design, compact size, and robust features. Getting started is a breeze. Inside the box, you'll find the printer, filament spool, tools, and clear instructions. Setting up the Adventurer 3 is quick. Just level the bed, load the filament, and you're ready to create. Navigating the printer is a delight, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. Adjust settings, select files, and monitor prints with ease. Say goodbye to manual bed leveling headaches. The Adventurer 3 features automatic bed leveling, ensuring precise prints every time. Connectivity is key. This printer offers Wi-Fi and cloud printing options. You can monitor and control your prints remotely using the FlashForge app, from plot to ABS and more. The Adventurer 3 supports a wide range of filaments, expanding your creative possibilities. Ever wondered what's happening mid-print? The built-in camera lets you monitor progress via the app, even when you're away. Check out these impressive 3D prints. The Adventurer 3 consistently delivers high-quality results, making it perfect for intricate models and functional prototypes. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is your gateway to the exciting world of 3D printing. Its user-friendly features, wireless connectivity, and versatility make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced makers. Start your 3D printing journey today with the FlashForge Adventurer 3 by your side. Now we have exciting world of 3D printing as we explore the features and capabilities of the Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. Let's get started. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro is a powerful 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. It boasts a sturdy aluminum frame that ensures stability during the printing process. The printer's open design provides easy access to the build area while allowing for easy modifications. One of the standout features of the Ender 3S1 Pro is its large build volume, allowing you to create bigger and more intricate prints. The printer supports a variety of filament materials, including PLA, ABS, PET, and more. Loading and unloading filament is a breeze with the filament runout detection feature, which pauses the print when the filament runs out, preventing wasted material and interrupted prints. Controlling the Ender 3S1 Pro is intuitive thanks to its user-friendly touchscreen interface. You can easily navigate through settings, adjust print parameters, and even preview 3D models directly on the screen. The printer's high precision ensures exceptional print quality, with layer heights as fine as 50 microns. This makes it perfect for intricate models, prototypes, and functional parts. Connectivity options include both USB and SD card, giving you flexibility in how you transfer your print files to the printer. Plus, the printer supports Wi-Fi connectivity for remote monitoring and control, as our time-lapse shows. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro delivers consistent and impressive results, from hobbyists to professionals. This 3D printer offers a robust platform for turning your ideas into tangible creations. For more information and to make a purchase, simply follow the link provided below. Let's dive into the Elegoo Saturn II MSLA 3D printer. The Elegoo Saturn II MSLA masked stereolithography 3D printer is a cutting-edge addition to the world of resin-based 3D printing, with an enlarged printing area and improved features. It takes your creations to the next level. One of the standout features is its impressive print area. This means you can create larger, more intricate models in a single go. The Saturn II boasts a high resolution, allowing for stunning detail and smoother surfaces in your prints. Pairing up with the Elegoo Chitabox slicing software, creating supports and optimizing prints becomes a breeze. The software provides advanced tools while being user-friendly, ensuring a seamless workflow. Speed is another highlight. The Saturn II's upgraded UV matrix parallel light source significantly reduces layer curing times, getting you from design to finished product faster. Say goodbye to struggling with print removal. The Saturn II features a flexible build plate, making detaching prints hassle-free. Plus, maintenance is made easy with accessible components and a user-friendly design. Whether you're into intricate miniatures, artistic sculptures, or functional prototypes, the Elegoo Saturn II's capabilities cater to a wide range of creative projects. So, there you have it. The Elegoo Saturn II MSLA 3D printer, a powerhouse for your 3D printing aspiration. If you're as excited as we are about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, 3D printing with an in-depth look at the Anycubic Cobra Max. This impressive 3D printer has been making waves in the community, and we're here to uncover its features and capabilities. The Anycubic Cobra Max boasts a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters, allowing you to bring your bigger ideas to life. Its sturdy metal frame ensures stability during printing, resulting in accurate and consistent prints. Navigating through its intuitive touchscreen interface is a breeze. You can easily select and customize your prints, adjust settings, and monitor progress in real time. One standout feature is the dual extruders, enabling multi-material and multi-color printing. This expands creative possibilities and allows for intricate designs. No more manual bed leveling headaches. The Cobra Max features automatic bed leveling, ensuring a hassle-free setup and optimal print quality. Worried about running out of filament halfway through a print? The built-in filament runout sensor alerts you in advance, allowing you to reload and continue without interruption. Connectivity is seamless with Wi-Fi support. Monitor and control your prints remotely through the Anycubic app, giving you flexibility and convenience. Now, let's take a look at some sample prints. From intricate models to functional prototypes, the Cobra Max delivers sharp details and smooth finishes. The Anycubic Cobra Max presents a compelling package for both beginners and experienced makers. Its large build volume, dual extruders, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any creative workspace. Click the link in the description to discover anything you need. We have our #1 3D printer with the highly acclaimed Prusa i3 MK3S Plus. This printer has gained a reputation for its precision, reliability, and user-friendly features. Let's take a closer look. Overview. The Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is a fused deposition modeling FDM 3D printer that offers a build volume of dimensions. It features an impressive layer resolution, which ensures high-quality prints with intricate details. The printer is known for its auto-leveling and filament sensors, which contribute to seamless printing and prevent wasted materials. Features. One standout feature is its interchangeable magnetic build plate, allowing for easy removal of prints without the need for scraping or excessive force. The printer also comes equipped with a direct drive extruder, enhancing filament compatibility and reducing the risk of filament-related issues. Innovation. What truly sets the MK3S Plus apart is its innovative sensor suite. The filament sensor detects filament runout and pauses the print, allowing you to replace filament seamlessly. The printer also boasts a power panic feature, which saves the print progress in case of power outages, preventing print failures. Software and community. Prusa Research offers its own slicing software, Prusa, designed specifically for their printers. Additionally, the Prusa community is highly active, with a wealth of online resources, tutorials, and user forums to assist both beginners and experts. In conclusion, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus stands as a prime example of precision engineering in the world of 3D printing. Its user-friendly features, coupled with high-quality prints and innovative technology, make it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. If you're looking to take your 3D printing game to the next level, the Prusa i3 MK3S Plus is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, and also take the next step now. Click the link in the description to discover anything you need.